What's up, everybody? This is Gizmosity. We finally got our hands on iPhone 11, so let's finally unbox it and see how it looks from the inside.
Always feels good. This always feels good. Really good. Let's get started. Oh, goodness. Goodness. And the classic Apple feels. Good heaven. Good heaven. This looks so good. This looks so good. Oh, goodness. And obviously, the books and papers, the manuals, SIM card, and the Apple stickers, another one of them. And the adapter, this is actually a US thing, US model, so that adapter. Then we have the AirPods, and then the USB cable. That's all in it.
So, iPhone 11 comes with the A13 Bionic chip, which is the latest chip by Apple. The chip is similar in the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max come with an OLED display as compared to the LCD 6.1 LCD panel in the iPhone 11, which is kind of a downside. But then again, it does the work for most of the people and should be good enough for everyday use. So Apple finally added the dark mode to the iOS 13, and personally I really like the feel of it. It's really soft on your eyes, and by the day it increases the battery life by a significant amount as tested on the OLED panels. I'm not sure about the LCD panels right now, but it's really good. While setting up iOS 13, they give you a choice to, you know, choose the theme on the startup. But you can also change the theme by going to your settings in the display and choosing the dark theme, or from your control center just hold down on the brightness, and there you will have the option to turn on the dark mode. So that's it for us. Thanks for watching. Meet you on the next video. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. You can also find us on all the social platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And we're also on the podcast, Apple Podcasts and SoundCloud. If you don't want to watch us, you can hear us.